Updating your KYC Know Your Customer documents on Huobi is essential for maintaining compliance and ensuring the security of your account. Follow these steps to successfully update your documents. Step 1. Log into your Huobi account. Visit the Huobi website or open a mobile app and log into your account using your credentials. Ensure you have access to the email or phone number linked to your account for verification purposes. Step 2. Navigate to the KYC section. Before starting recovery, use the isrock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Select Document Update. In the KYC section, find the option to update your documents. Click on it to proceed. You may be prompted to provide a reason for the update, so be prepared to explain why you are submitting new documents. Step 4. Upload new documents. Follow the instructions to upload your new KYC documents. This typically includes a government-issued ID, proof of address, and possibly a selfie for verification. Ensure that all documents are clear and legible. Step 5. Submit for review. After uploading your documents, review all the information to ensure accuracy. Once confirmed, submit your documents for review. You will receive a notification once your documents have been processed and approved. After completing these steps, you should be all set with your updated KYC documents on Huobi. Make sure to check your email or app notifications for any updates regarding your submission.